Welcome back. Well, a super hot one out there today. 98 the high today, matching what we saw yesterday, and we have more of the same as we move forward. So let's get over to the key wall and discuss. No records, though. 102 the highest on this date. We're entering the month where we saw all the records broken last month, so you'll see a lot of 2023 showing up down here. And once again, we have gotten into a new paradigm where we barely can get our lows below 80 degrees. Didn't do it this morning. Probably won't do it again tonight. Normal 75 and 92. No rain in the bucket. And for the year, we're ahead of schedule with a very wet July. And despite being a wet month and 21 days out of the month we had rain, we still ranked this July of 2024 in the top 3 hottest months on record going back 131 years. And most interestingly, 6 of the top 10 hottest years on record have occurred just in the last 9 years. 3 years in a row, we've made the top 10 this year, last year, and back in 2022, and then 2018, 2016, super wet year in 2016 as well. It doesn't have to be dry just to have that record heat. And last summer, it was dry, and that record heat was certainly magnified. High pressure ridging back in. That's been knocking down the rain chances across the area. That's what we expect to continue through tomorrow. Heat advisory in effect for most of Acadiana. Heat index up to 112, still reaching 108, 109 southwest Louisiana, and up towards Senla, northern Louisiana, and around Lake Pontchartrain, where you have bodies of water, excessive heat warnings for heat indices as high as 115. So stay hydrated out there. Same story, different summer, but go back to last August. That's what we were saying just about every day. Pretty quiet across the Gulf of Mexico, and most of the Caribbean and the Atlantic, but we are watching this area of disturbed weather getting a little bit better organized. Looks like low pressure just to the north of maybe Haiti right now, and there was some dry air entrained with this, and this is still very disorganized, but models insist on some development as it gets closer to Cuba, western Cuba, and the eastern Gulf of Mexico, where it could have impacts. Now, the next 2 days, odds of developing up to 40%. That's increased, still 70% for the 7-day period. That increased earlier this afternoon. So we do think something's going to develop there, and as we take a look at the latest tropical models that we've just started getting in on this disturbance, you can see the bulk of the lines heading mainly toward the eastern Gulf and then along the southeast U.S. Louisiana will watch it, but this is going to be a disorganized system until it comes off the Cuban coastline. We don't know where exactly this is going to go, but the model's favoring very wet conditions, disorganized conditions for Florida. This is the Euro model, and then some development, modest development at the very least off the Carolina coast. And look, this doesn't go anywhere for 4 or 5 days, so somebody's going to have flooding rain. And then we look at the latest GFS saying much the same, wet across Florida, mainly the peninsula. And then the GFS goes gangbusters trying to develop a hurricane. But notice something that doesn't move and is going to be a slow mover. So this is going to be problematic down the line. We'll watch it from Louisiana. We'll get the popcorn out and watch it. But for right now, we're not under the threat of this system and the threat of heavy rainfall, 4 to 8 inches or more for portions of Florida, and then maybe a lot more by the Carolina coastline. We'll see how it plays out, though. Still too early to call definitively. Near term, though, we're nice and quiet through tomorrow. Mid-90s. Here's a little bit of a frontal trough coming in as we head Friday night into Saturday morning, and then Saturday, a scattering of showers and thunder showers possible. Then high pressure builds back in on Sunday. It looks like knocking down the rain chances, but we can't rule out an isolated shower on Sunday at 10 or 20%. Mid to upper 90s to near 100 in Alexandria for tomorrow. It's a matter of time. I think we might see a few 100s locally, 95 to 98, I-10 corridor, and 94 to 95. A little bit of a cooling from the Gulf of Mexico. You see that over by Cameron as well. Big story is going to be that heat index reaching up there, 108 to 112, and that heat index will be maxing out roughly between over 100 between 9 a.m. and 9 p.m. So stinking hot out there. Overnight tonight, we'll go with 80 for your overnight low. A sultry night for August for sure. Tomorrow, 97 to 98, the projected high. That heat index way up there once again. And as we move into that 10-day forecast, nothing but mid to upper 90s. So that classifies us as a little bit of a heat wave over the next week to 10 days. That's it for weather for now. We'll have more later on.